Haven't been here since yesterday. Did your dad forget you're here?
No.
I kind of think it did.
He got that one wave from yesterday and he just stayed down.
Just stayed down, yeah.
Till nighttime, till this morning.
Get the high tide in the morning, you know?
Yeah.
The early high tide. How is it? How is it over here?
Dude, it's another beautiful day. It's really fun.
Do you have lags?
I don't know, I'm running on a few hours of sleep. I have a couple of legs, getting a couple waves. Yeah, it's fun.
Is it what, third day for you?
Yeah, I think third or fourth maybe. It's really fun.
Is it more manageable than yesterday? Or?
I honestly think so. The swell kind of dropped a little bit, so it's a little bit more reachable for us today. Dia's gonna get a bunch of sick ones.
What?
So you're gonna get a bunch of sick ones today.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's like, yeah, I know.
Drums is great, man.
I know. They're just better than everyone, that's why. They're better than everyone else.
How did drums get here?
My mom dropped me off at the top of the stairs.
No e-bike?
They had a cool story. They had to like walk all the way.
That's what I had to do. I hop on a skateboard. Oh yeah, the trolley or?
Trolley, yeah.
Yeah. My mom just drops me off at like the top of the stairs.
You get full VIP access down there.
That's so easy.
Yeah.
Oh, Mateo.
Mateo's last day here.
Oh yeah.
Last hour.
My last hour. Running for all the waves.
Does that mean he has a priority?
Oh no.
No.
Oh no. Another beautiful day at 10th Street, can't go wrong. About to go send to Oregon, so it's the last time you're gonna see me for a little bit, but there's plenty of more days to come for sure for these guys. It's definitely firing right now. Gonna get a lot more clothes probably.
Dude, I don't want to be mean to you, but it's about to get better.
Yeah, it's getting higher, it's getting better. It's gonna be really good, but it's time to go to school, you know, everyone's gotta go to school. Blair's in Boston, you know, being an idiot. I guess I'm about to go be an idiot in Oregon, so I guess we'll see how it is. Dia, almost getting one. But it's going down here. Can't go wrong. Gonna get better.
Yeah,
more days to come.
Good seeing you.
Good seeing you.
Travel safe.
Thank you.
Drive safe.
So Blair, we missed you. Don't worry, the waves have been terrible. Nowhere's been good. It's just been flat, cold, windy the whole time. There may have been a few waves in between, just a few, but you didn't miss anything. So don't worry about it. Andre's holding it down. There's a couple kids holding it down. Just, you may want to come back eventually. People are starting to forget Blair Conklin, kind of now like the new guys. So, you know, just a thought.
Yeah, there are no waves. No waves whatsoever.
Dude,
no waves.
No waves, Blair. Don't look, Blair. Don't look. Blair, don't look. Don't look, Blair. Don't look. It's a mirage. This is George. This is old footage of George from 1995. This is the bomb aftermath. Don't worry, this is not today. Look, the 10th Street Center never breaks all the way past here. So this is old footage. Don't worry, Blair. Don't worry, Blair. It's all cool, Blair. Look, George isn't going to 9th Street. It's all good. Yeah, keep going. Oh my God. Woo!
Dude, I've never seen. Oh, look at that.
That's a record. Look at that.
I've never seen this before.
Don't worry, Blair. It's old footage.
I've never seen this.
He made it to the left to the volleyball. Yeah, that's a record. Somebody put in a marker in the sand. Sick.
That was so cool. Dude, that was insane.
It's a new workout.
Do you still have the legs to go back? It's kind of far now, huh?
Nice and slow walk. To the volleyball court, to the net.
All the way to the volleyball court.
To the net.
Insane.
See if we can get past that today.
I've never seen this before. Have you seen this before? Have you been?
I've seen it before, but it hasn't been like this for a while. This swell, it's been here for so long. Made the beach do a little something.
just wrapping up. Today was really fun. Had a lot of good people down here. Just another beautiful day.
We're still dying over there.
Dude, I know. Everyone's still getting it.
Dude, how bad are the wipeouts?
Oh, pretty bad today. Yeah, I think there's a little too much bounce in the bounce waves today, as Blair would call them. Oh my Geo.
Oh, Geo.
A lot of wipeouts, but that was sick.
How bad is it when you make it super far and you don't really like connect? And you just stay outside like
just like that.
and then
The
you
paddling.
have to swim there in the wishy-washy water.
I mean, the paddling is probably the worst part about all this. Like,
Because yesterday apparently that kid was in trouble and we didn't really even
oh yeah,
realize. You know?
yeah, for sure. Yeah, when it gets kind of mixed up with the SideWash, it gets kind of scary out there. So I wouldn't want to be swimming out there for too long or you're going to get stuck in a rip current.
Dude, Weber got some sick ones.
Yeah, he did. Same with Dia. Dia's been freaking killing it. Every freaking wave.
Gio made it all the way to the mid of the volleyball court.
Did he really?
on the really long one. Yeah,
What?
It was insane.
That's nuts. Yeah, I had one of those like 2 days ago, but dang, that's nuts. I don't think I went that far. That's crazy. Him and Dia, I think, get the best waves down here. Just because they're goofy. And then Johnny, of course, but I think those two definitely got the 2 longest waves of the weekend, or the week.